What's up guys, it's Avocado Man and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a YouTube intro. Let's get started. First you want to go to placeit.net, which is also the first link in the description, so you can just press it from there. And then you want to wait for it to load. Once you load, you want to type in YouTube intro in the search bar and then press search. Once it loads, you should reach a place like this where it has a lot of your logos here. So first thing to do is you want to find which one you want. So you can just preview them by hovering above the video. Like this one is like that. This one is like that. Like just do that. So just find which one you want. Maybe I want this one because I think it looks good. Then you just want to press on the one you like and then wait for it to load again. Once you load, as you can see, there are colors on this side. There's an audio track, there's playback seed, and there's upload your logo. You want to press on your upload image so you can upload your logo. And then once it loads again, you should this thing should pop up. You don't want to do anything with this. You want to keep it like this. Just press crop, then wait for it to load again. Then it should say cropping over here. Just wait for that to finish. And then it should show loading preview over here. And after that, you want to change the colors. The colors, you can just play with the colors, it doesn't really matter. And then just like finish playing with the colors, and after you're done with the colors, you want to go to audio track. You can listen to the music. If you like it, then you can keep it, but if you don't, then you can press edit and then pick which one you want. For now, I'm just going to stay with the one that they gave us. Okay, so after you're done with that, you want to go over here and press play all. That will allow you to download it. Once it says your video was successfully prepared, it should show you something like this. Of course, it's always good that your background is the same color as your logo because it might not look good otherwise. So if you want to change that, you just press X and then go change up the colors to how you like them. But if you're done, then you just want to press download, and then you should get something like this. So you just need to press get the free watermark low res video. And you want to press that, and then it will ask you to save the file. Just save the file as anything you want. Just press save, and now your new YouTube intro is done. If you like this tutorial, be sure to share, comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!